Mystery TV.
It is written, blessed is the nation whose God is the Lord. Is that Catholic Church, is their God is the Lord? This is the question. We, the spiritual men, know that there are so many churches. Their God is not the Lord. Their God is not Jesus. Do not make any image. Do they have another image which they venerate, they adore, they talk to? Saint Anthony of Padua, Saint Teresa, Saint so and so. I have been an invocator of saints, and all that practices that I practice from Roman Catholic Church. I'm not talking against only Roman Catholic. There are so many churches. Their foundation is out of coverage area. There are so many people whose God is not the Lord.